Morning friends. So today here I'm making video on a new script, and that is a demo for a reseller version. So if you are purchasing white label, so you will get the reseller version. So here it is a demo panel, demo video for you guys, and you can say it's a training video also. So let's start. So this is a new domain where the new script has been installed. This is a sister domain of the Cloud WA Blaster. Both the domains are my only, both the portals are my only. So here is a portal overview dashboard of the Cloud WhatsApp marketing portal. So you will get UI like this. So you will get this all the feature, as well as you can add the different modules like advanced proxy manager, coupon manager, which I have not installed yet, but yes, we can install it. Is a module only. So you will get the UI like this. So this is a WhatsApp. Okay, the WhatsApp you have logged in will be shown here. Okay, this will be the access token and the instance ID, which will be useful for the API. Okay, so let me show the demo for the main feature of reseller one, that is a package manager. So package manager is a thing from where all the plans will be configured. So if you check here, see only one plan is here, professional plan. Okay, so let's add a new plan here. Okay, so we will say monthly unlimited plan. Take monthly unlimited plan for your marketing purpose. So we will set a price. It will be 499. We will keep here 499. We will keep here 449. So it will be calculated as a 449 into 12. Okay, this will be visible here. If you are doing annually, then price will update 449 into 12. So 50 rupees discount per month is the user will get. How many WhatsApp they can log in for the monthly unlimited? So it's an unlimited plan. So I have set to 90, and the position here. This is the position. So we will set as 1. Okay. Now we will go to permission. How much permission you want to go to user for all the plans? See, I am giving all the permissions. No restriction for unlimited plans. Minimum number of minutes to choose autoresponder delay. So the user who is having this plan, so how much delay they can choose, I have said that it is 0. So autoresponder should respond immediately. The minimum space we will keep it as a minimum maximum 0. The maximum active campaign, it will be 99 in unlimited. The maximum number of contact group unlimited. How many contact group user can create? This is the number they are asking. User groups, not a context, groups. Okay, now this is a contact. In one group, how many contacts user can add? You can set it as 10,000. Depends. Depends to you. I have set it as a 10,000. Okay. And total number of message. This is unlimited, so we will set it as a unlimited. Okay. And let's save it. See. So monthly unlimited plan is here. Now let's refresh here. Okay, so it's updated here. Monthly unlimited plan, 499, unlimited message, all the features you will get. Watermark, print text, image. We have not added that yet. We can add it. Okay, monthly unlimited permissions. Okay, so payment manager, users are not supposed to get the right access of it, so we have disabled it. Support center, yes, user will be able to contact the support center. User manager not required. This is for reseller only to manage the user. General setting, that is also for the resellers. Social network setting, yes, we can enable it. Module and themes not required. Packet manager not required. File manager, yes, required, because they will upload their media. Maximum storage size, we will keep this much, and one file of minimum 50 MB we will set. View language is language. No, we should not add the we should not give language access to users, as if any user is changing the language, then full the portal and all the users will get the language in that particular language only. So we are not supposed to give this access to users. Frequently asked manager, no, we are not supposed to give a manager access for that, because you can access the FAQs, but not FAQ manager. Cron jobs, they are not supposed to get caption. Yes, they can save their captions. Blog manager, they can save a blog. Account manager, yes. WhatsApp profile and see. This is the updated and the final package which the user will get. Let's rephrase this here and see. User will get all these features. So I think you will have a basic idea how to create a package. User manager, here you will get all the users of your portal. This is a new panel. Today morning only I have kept it live. So these, from here you can access all the users. See, like this, if you want to edit, this person have made the payment to you. Now you want to set the plan for it. So you can set here from the role, member admin on reseller. You can set the active. You can update the password user if user forgets the password. Package, which package user will get. I will give the professional package. Allowed package for reseller, as this is a reseller. Admin is a reseller. So I will give a professional one. Number of users that can create. Now, if the particular user is a reseller, if you are giving anyone a reseller rights on your portal, then this is useful you. So I will set as 999. Unlimited user this person can create, as this is my alternate number only. Expiry date I will set as expiry date is 29999 299. Okay, and submit. So this user will get it. Now, if you want to see whether this is updated to user or not, you can check view as a user. Wait, see, unlimited message, this, and as he is an admin, he will get all the features. Now we will back to the admin page. Going to success. Okay. So this way you can set the user access now. Okay. After this, this is the user manager. If this will be the payment manager. Payment manager, if you are activating the payment gateway here, then you will get all your payment details here. As I have not activated any payment gateway, I am not able to see. If any user is making payment here, then all the details will be included here. Blog manager, what are the blogs? This blog. If you want to something post here, you can update here. Blog manager. FAQ manager, frequently asked questions. You can set it from here. Now let's go to settings, general settings. This is for the admin panel, which is required, most required. The campaign store WhatsApp. From here you can set your title, website title, the website description. Thing you will paste here, it will be displayed here. See, okay. WhatsApp campaign show, WhatsApp marketing portfolio. With things we have set it here, it will display here. This will be the keyword. If someone is googling it from this keyword, your website should appear. Website favicon. This is a favicon. OTP verification. This is most required feature for you. If any new user want to sign up to your portal, then he will get OTP to his number from your number. So this is instance ID and the access token which I have shown you earlier for my WhatsApp. This instance ID and access token you will get from here. If you see, let me show you. See, this is the instance ID and that is a access token which I have uploaded. So from this number only, user will get the all OTPs, and you must enable it. Website mark, website logo in black. You can change it from here. You can update your logo from here. Appearance, you can change it, not a big deal. File manager, you can connect your Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive here. Support center, you can customize your support center here. You can add your email ID here, that someone is creating any ticket, then you will get the email. Payment, from here you can add the payment gateway. There is a PayPal, Stripe. From here you can access the add the payment gateway, client ID and the client secret key you will get from your payment gateway partner. Notification, this is the pop-up notification you can set whenever someone enter into a website, then they can get the notification like that. You can check the Beamer product ID, you can get the free account here and you can set it. Email, you can set your email here, that if someone forget the password, then he will get the email from this ID. Authentication and login, you can add the sign up feature through Google, Facebook, Insta also. So you can add the Google reCAPTCHA. From here you can change the sign up things, that if you want that email should be verified before the sign up, you can enable it. See, basic thing this is. You can add your social media links here. Other, if you want the WhatsApp, uh, this WhatsApp here, so if someone clicks on this, then you will get the message. You can set it here. See, you have to go to others, embedded code. This code, from where you will get code, I will tell you. Go to WhatsApp, go to the campaign store, go to the link generator. So here is your code. You have to copy this full code. This full code you have to copy and go to setting, go to general setting, go to others and just simply paste it here. That's it. And you will get the button here. Make sure your HTTPs are enabled. It should be enabled, so your SSL will be activated. So this is a basic go through of your portal. Support center, you will get access here, setting here, your admin panel, your username will be here. The main thing of the reseller is a package manager and user manager. From here you can add a new package. From user manager you can add, you manually also you can add a new user here and give them access. You can see the user reports also, how many campaigns they are running, how many messages they are sending, all the details you will get. If you want to add a new language, so if I am adding a new language, see, enable, let's say Arabic, we'll give one for Arabic EE. From here we will Arabic, see. So language of the portal will be changed and it will be updated to Arabic directly. So you can change the language according to your wish. See, all the things are in Arabic only. So this is the only reason we should not give language access to users. If they are changing the language, all the user will get this language only. So now if you want to revert it, go to Arabic and delete it. Once I refresh, it will be updated. Don't worry. See, the language is changed again. So this is a basic go through of your reseller version. If you still face any issue, just contact me. I will make sure all your issues are resolved. Happy campaigning, happy selling, happy marketing. This is the sister website of cloudwablaster.com. Thank you.